Welcome, dear viewers, to exercise 5 of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We are requested to open our presentation program, and we use the outline in the table below to create the presentation using the appropriate slide layout. Then we save our work as indices in the folder that we have so that we can be able to print out later. So I'll just minimize my page. I open my folder, I right click, we click on the new, then we press on the program Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. After that, we type the name provided for that file, which is edges. Then after that, we can double click, or we double click to open that page. We can maximize the page. We proceed to the new slide, and the first slide is a title only slide. We can click inside to type. Then you can just click where we have this table or the small box to drag down to enlarge the title. After that, you can be able to type the information provided inside that cell. After that, you can click bold to bold the next information which is following, such that it appears in bold. It should appear in bold. We click enter, then we can be able to type the information provided. Yes, so that is our first slide. After that, we have the second slide. And when it comes to second slide, you can see that it only has content. It does not have a title. Therefore, while choosing the slide, you will just pick the title and content slide. After that, you click on the title part. Under the keyboard button, you click on backspace, or you just click on the delete button to remove the title slide. We can backspace to remove the bullets. Then you click on this, you can enlarge that page. After that, you can click inside. You can click this to decrease the font size. You decrease the font size just once is okay. Then you can bold the heading. You type the text provided. You click enter. You unclick the bold statement. After that, you proceed to the bullets. We click on the tick. After the tick, you can click on this button. It's known as increase the list level. You just click it to increase the list level. You then type the information provided. So for the half, you just space, you click the dash, you space, you type 1, slash, you type 2, then you space. So the a half will fit automatically. After that, you click enter, you backspace once. Then for the text to move to the left side, you decrease the list level. After that, you can bold so that you can be able to type that text provided. After that, you click enter. Uh, Initially, you can see that we reduced the size to 28, and now the size is 32, so you just decrease the size once. After that, we proceed to the bullets. We again pick the tick, then we click this button to increase the list level, and then you type the information. You can remove the bold. We remove the bold. Yep. So we are done with the second slide. After that, we proceed to the third slide. You can see that the third slide has a title and the content. Therefore, we choose another new slide. You click the button, you choose title and content slide, then you type another titles. We can highlight the text. We reduce the size a little bit so that it can fit in one line. As well, you can bold the title. After that, you click to add the text under the content part. You proceed to the bullets, whereby you can be able to choose the appropriate bullet that is used. So we are done with our third slide. After that, we proceed to the fourth slide. You can see it has just title only. It has title only. Therefore, we proceed to new slide. We choose title only. We can place it at the left side. Then we type the text. Done with the fourth slide. After that, we proceed to the fifth slide. The fifth slide, it has a title and it has a smart art picture inserted below. Therefore, we proceed to new slide. We pick title and content. Under the title, we type the information provided. We click to add the text. We proceed to insert. We click smart art. Then we choose relationships. You can see we have our funnel there. You just click the funnel and you click OK. After that, you can be able to type the text inside it is capital letters. I click the next one. I type. So for the other shape inside, I cannot be able to edit that. Therefore, while still under the design tab, I click on text pane. I click on text pane. Then I type, click here to type your text. So we type the text. After that, you can close that. You just click in the other text and then you type. And that is it. Therefore, we are done with the fifth slide. After that, you can see we have our sixth slide here. Thanks and welcome. So it's just a title only. We pick title only. Click to add the title. Place it on the left side. You can bold it. Then we type. That is it. So we have our 6 slides. After that, we do the questions. It says we apply each of the following. We apply motion path. A motion path named down or know the content of slide 1. Therefore, we scroll upwards. We click on our slide 1. We proceed to animations. So for that to be able to apply the motion path, we click inside where we have the text. We click inside the text for slide 1. Then under the animations, we click on this button, add animation. After that, down here, we have more motion path. You click more motion path. Then you can scroll downwards. We need a motion path named down, which is this one. Therefore, you click down. Then you press OK. So when you click preview, you can be able to see that the letters or the text moves downwards automatically and it is set to the normal setting. After that, we have another question which says we apply the slide transition dissolve to slide 2. Therefore, we click on the slide 2. We proceed to transitions. You can see that we have different slide transitions. We click for this button for more options. Then we choose on a transition named dissolve. Therefore, you click dissolve. So this one you don't click apply to all because you only want to apply it under the slide 2. You can see that under slide 2 we have dissolve. If I click like slide 1, you see it is none. If I click slide 3, you can see it is none. But when I click on slide 2, you have applied a slide transition named dissolve. If I click on preview, you can see at how it displays. After that, we are told to insert a table below into slide 2. Though it was an error, it should be insert the table below into slide 4 because the title in slide 4, which was packed juice, is the appropriate title for our table. Therefore, we proceed to slide 4. We proceed to slide 4. Then we go to insert. We click table. Then we click insert table. Our table has 2 columns, therefore we indicate 2 columns, and it has 5 rows. We indicate 5 rows. Then you press OK. After that, you can change the color of the table by choosing this one, the black and white table. You can highlight the first line. We proceed to home, then we bold the text that should be typed inside there. Then we fill the information for our table. So we are done with filling the information for that table. After that, we have another question which says, create a column chart for the table above in the same slide. We create a column chart for the table above in the same slide. So we go back to our work. We highlight the text in that particular table. Then we click on copy. We press on copy. After that, we proceed to insert. We proceed to the chart. We are requested to insert a column chart, the first one. You just choose the first one. Then you click OK. It automatically directs you to the Excel sheet. You click under the first cell A1, the first one. After that, you click on the button for paste. Or if you are using the control keys, you can long press control and click letter V to paste. So we have done that. After that, you can see that we have extra information that we don't need. You highlight that text, that information, then you right click on the selected area. After that, you click on the delete button, then you choose table columns. So you automatically delete the information that we don't want. After that, you can close the Excel sheet. You can see that we have a column chart that represents the information on the table that we created earlier. After that, you can long press on the white area. On the mouse, you left click and long press it to pull it down. You can still move to this. You reduce the size a little bit. You just long press and move downwards so that it can be able to fit in the same slide. So after that, we are told we save the changes to print out later the presentation with 3 slides per page. Therefore, before we do that, it is always good to use any design of your choice. Remember, we said that we have different slide layouts, so we can be able to choose any slide that we want to apply. So we have many different formats. You just choose the one that you feel it is perfect for your slide. So you can choose any theme or design of your choice for your work, so you can see how it displays. After that, you can click file, then you click on the save button. So we have our chart here, we have our smart art here, this is our title and the contents that we have done. So if you check on that, it really looks nice. So when you go to file and click on the print button, we send under the slides, you just click 3 slides. It means that in one page you can only print 3 pages per the page. So we have 3 slides per page. That's how we do the printing. So you can just click indicate the number of copies, then you click print. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.